Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making tossed wings with two different sauces, lemon basil and buffalo. First, you're going to preheat your oven in 375. This recipe I used 8 wings, but you can use as many as you want. So you're going to chop the wing, separating the drumette from the flattened tip. Then you're going to get your baking sheet in line with foil paper, and you're going to grease it with cooking spray. You're going to get you a napkin, dry out your chicken, and fill your baking sheet with the chicken. You're going to season with a half a teaspoon pepper. Sprinkle a little that on there. I didn't fill my full teaspoon. I had a little too much, so put some black pepper. Then you're gonna use a half teaspoon of garlic powder. If you've watched my videos, you know I love garlic powder. Anything garlic, like seasoning wise, is bomb. Then you're gonna add a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That little bit of spice, like it's not too spicy, it makes it perfect. Trust me, I know. Then you're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Be careful with the salt because you don't want salty wings. Like, you don't want that. Then you're going to spray them with cooking oil again. And then you're going to flip, baby, flip. You're going to flip your wings and you're going to season the other side the same exact way with the garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. And then you're going to put it in the oven for about 50 minutes. 50 minutes later, there you go. Now, onto the sauce. So you're going to take half your wings. You can do the sauce separate and then place the wings in, but for this, I put the wings in first and then did the sauce. But just watch. Alright, so for the lemon basil sauce, you're going to squeeze 1 lemon in there. Don't worry about the seeds. Like, you don't have to worry about it. You're not going to be eating seeds. So you're going to squeeze it. You're going to add half a teaspoon basil. And then you're going to toss your wings in. And I used a little small plate. And I shook it up just to get them fully coated. And then look, boom, pour them right on. And that is your lemon basil tossed wings. Now onto the buffalo wings. You're going to squeeze 1 lemon. Get all the lemon juice out of that lemon. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of hot sauce of your choice. Then you're going to add a half teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then you're going to mix that together. I don't really like buffalo sauce. My husband does, so that's how I made 2 different sauces for him and then for me. So then you're going to add the rest of your wings to the sauce, and you're going to toss your wings in that sauce. Because I don't like spicy stuff, I use the tongue to like mix it together because I can't deal. But it's so good. Like, my husband was like, it's bomb, so he wouldn't lie to me. He always tells me the 100% truth. So boom, there is your buffalo tossed wings. You can serve this with rice, with potatoes, with basically any size you want. Broccoli. I made corn with this, so I had that. But yes, thank you guys for watching. That was your lemon basil and buffalo tossed wings. Don't forget to tell me how you like this recipe when you try it, because it's amazing. Finger looking good. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.